Tell the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you.
Hey my fashion fiend babes, I'm back with another video, and in today's video, as you can see by the title, I'm doing a black glitter smoky eye on my little sister for her prom. And when I tell y'all, baby, I ate down, and I don't really gotta say too much. Just watch me slay this little makeup look. I'm very proud of myself because I haven't done makeup in a good minute, like on someone else's face. And I am so pregnant, y'all. I was so tired when I recorded this, but I did so good. Like, y'all, I know y'all already see the finishing look because it's on my thumbnail, obviously. But y'all, just watch how I did this. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna be quiet for the rest of this video and let y'all listen to my little music and watch me work.
So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? You know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out to life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. You keep wasting my time, you keep wasting my time. I'm so cozy.
I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find, give all my love, and nothing's gonna tear us apart. Find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find, give all my love, and nothing's gonna tear us apart.
Hey, dollar might just fuck your main bitch. That's just how I feel. Nah. Hey, dollar Mike, say fuck them niggas that you getting with. That's just how I feel. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, dollar Mike, just make that lane switch. That's just how I feel. Yeah. Hey, dollar Mike, turn to $1 million and we all rich. That's just how I feel.
When we break the code, no way. Hit the brakes when they on patrol. No way. Be the last one out to get the stove. No way. Log on out you bucket head hoes. No way.
Me and my niggas tryna get it, you bitch. Yeah, bitch. Hit that house, they tell me is you with it, you bitch. Yeah, bitch. Home invasion was persuasive. From 9 to 5, I know it's vacant, you bitch. Yeah, bitch. Dream the living life like rappers do. Back when condom rappers wasn't cool. They wasn't. I fucked Shireen and went to tell my bros. Then Usher Raymond let it burn came on. Hot sauce all at night, top rhyming, yeah, bitch. Park the car, then we start rhyming, yeah, bitch. The only thing we had to free our mind. Then freeze that verse when we see dollar signs. You looking like an easy.
Niggas want me to get ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, all the time me cashes. Aren't you like Bob Saget? Greedy, I can't pass it. Eating everything, nigga, no fasting. I don't care much you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julian style, this ain't no last dance. Way past it. Wait. Fucking on my ex cause he validate me. Fucking up a check, I don't want no receipt. Mind get possessed, let my spirit speak freely. Hey, my past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. Why my how the times change? I'm still playing the victim and you still playing the picky. It's so embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me. I can't see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see. I'm blind. Back. Calm down, shit could be worse, never say that. I don't want pipe down, rather get paid back. Mama told me never see where you lay at. I don't want righteousness, I hurt too much, I lost too much, I lost too much. I hit my clutch and vroom, third day pop out the tomb. I like when you put your gun at the red light. I like all that violence, give me dysfunction.
I mean, where the fuck should I really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas across the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead, thought my raps wasn't facts, so they sat with the bars. I got 2 phones, one need a charge. Yeah, they twins, I could tell they ass apart. I got big packs coming on the way. I got big stacks coming out to save. I got Lil Max with me, he the wave. It's a big gap between us in the game. In the next life, I'm trying to stay paid. When I die, put my money in the When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really just slapped every nigga in a race. I really might tap this nigga on my face. Lil CC, let it slap with the babes. I used to save hoes with a mask in a cave. Now I'm like, nah, love, I'm good, go away. Ain't about to die with no money I done gave. I was on top when that shit meant a lot. Still on top, like I'm scared of the drop. Still on top, and these niggas wanna swap. Niggas wanna swap like it's sauce in a box. I don't wanna change cause I'm good where I'm at. Mob tie, so I'm always good where I'm at. Word of Junior, Jazzy, Baby J. Tell them when I die, put my money in it.
Couple freakers kill a skull and collect. She fuck a nigga, then she on to the next. Really living large, she ain't all with a Mac. You niggas think it's small in the mall with a rat. Roll with us if you really wanna get it. Go get a $500,000 in a Sprinter. Phone ringing, bitches know a big triple. I got the hook up and there really no limit. Dead brokers in you nigga DNA. Ricky Smiley's indicated.